Hello student, today I brought a video on the topic concentration of solution. This topic belongs to the chapter 2 of class 9 is matter around a sphere. That is the part of the solution, characteristic of solution. We discuss about what is the meaning of concentration of solution, in which way we express the concentration of solution, everything we discuss in this video. Now what is the meaning of concentration solution? It is given here. The concentration of a solution is the measure of the compositions of solution. Is the measure of the composition of solution. For given solution, the amount of solid dissolved in unit volume of solution or unit volume of solvent is called the concentration of solution. It can be expressed either qualitatively or the quantitatively. For example, qualitatively, that means quality is a basic things. For this quality, that is the whether it is a concentrated or diluted, the quality of the solution. Qualitatively, we can say that the solution is dilute, relatively very small amount of solute, or it is concentrated. That is the we distinguish the solution on the basis qualitative basis. That is whether it is a dilute acid or concentrated, but it is not quantitative. Now, relatively very small amount of a solid, that is called the dilute, or concentrated, that is relatively large amount of solid dissolving the solution. But in practice, it is not useful. Hence, it is not useful in chemistry. Now, quantitative descriptions method gives us the exact concentration of solution, and hence it is concentration can be compared with the concentration of other solution. So the quantitative description of the solution is the important that express the concentration of solution, and we compare easily which solution is concentrated, which solution is diluted on the basis of the quantitative expression of the solution. Now here it is the basis of the qualitative discussion that is diluted by we observe that, visualize it. It seems to be dilute and it seems to be concentrated. Figure solution of red dye in water form the most dilute and the left side most concentrated solution. But it not give the digital idea idea about the numerical idea about the concentration of the acid. Now here, concentration of acid expressed in many terms. There are many ways. One of the ways are percentage by mass or mass. Percentage by mass or mass percentage, that is weight by weight. This method is used for the solid in a liquid solution. When solid is dissolved in a liquid solution, then we use the mass by mass percentage. The mass of the solid in a gram dissolved in a solvent to form 100 gram of the solution is called the percentage by mass. The ratio of the mass of solid to the mass of the solution is called the mass fractions. The ratio of the mass of solid that divided by the mass of solution is called the mass fraction. When mass fraction expressed in the percentage, it is called mass by mass percentage. Now it becomes a ratio fraction, mass fraction. When mass fraction is expressed in percentage, it is called the mass by mass percentage. Here example here. For example, if a solution is described by 10% glucose in water by mass, it means that the 10 gram of glucose is dissolved in 19 gram of water, forming a 100 gram of solution. That is the concentration of solution expressed in 10% mass by mass. It is the type of way of expressing the concentration of solution. Another here, concentration describe the mass percentage is commonly used in the industrial chemical application. For example, commercial bleachings solution contain 3.62 mass percentage of sodium hypochlorite in the water. Now here percentage by mass here, mass of solid, mass of solution 100% here. Now it is also mass of the solution is also calculated as mass of the solid plus mass of the solvent. and if the mass of the solid plus mass of the solid become the solution, and if the mass of the solid divided by the mass of solution and it expressed in percentage is called the mass by mass percentage. Next one is another way of expressing the concentration solution is percentage by volume, that is the volume by volume percentage. This method is used for the liquid in the liquid solution. The method for the when liquid is dissolved in a liquid. For example, 10% ethanol solution in water. 10% ethanol solution in water means that 10 ml of ethanol is dissolved in 90 ml of water, such that the total volume of the solution becomes 100 ml. Here, when the 10 ml of ethanol is dissolved in 90 ml of water, such that the total volume of the solution becomes 100 ml. Now, the concentration of solution expressed as 10% volume by volume. 10% volume by volume, that is the percentage by volume by volume. Now, here the expression is given here. Percentage by volume is given here. Volume of solute by volume of solution into 100%. Now, volume of solution is also obtained by volume of solid plus volume of solvent. If the volume of solid plus the volume of solvent is added, it becomes the volume of solution. And when it is divided by the volume of solid and expressed in percentage, it becomes the volume by volume percentage. Volume by volume percentage. That's good. Now, next is percentage by mass by volume. When if it is the mass of the solid dissolved in 100 ml of solution. This method is commonly used in medicine and pharmacy. Now here percentage mass by volume is given mass by solid and the volume of the solution, and divided by 100 it becomes the percentage mass by volume. It is another way of expressing the concentration of solution. Next one is very important, the part per million, ppm. When a solute is present in trace quantity, a very small quantity, it is convenient to express the concentration in part per million. ppm is defined as part per million is the number of moles of the component, number of mass of the component, and total number of moles of the all part of the component of solution into 100. That is the ppm. That is the if the small amount of solution, a small amount of solid is dissolved in 10 to the 6 amount of the solution, that is called the mass part per millions of the solution. That is if the small amount of something is dissolved in 10 to the power 6 ml part of any solution, that the concentration of solution is said to be part per million. As in the case of the percentage, concentration in part per million can also be expressed as mass to mass, volume to volume, and mass to volume. For example, if 1 liter of seawater which weighs 1030 grams contains about 6 into 10 to 3 grams of dissolved oxygen. Such small concentration is also expressed as 5.8 gram per 10 to the 6 gram. That is the 5.8 per part per million of seawater. This concentration of pollutant in water or atmosphere is often expressed in the term of 1/4 gram milliliter or ppm. That is the way to express the concentration of a solution that is found is very trace amount in a solution by part per million. Okay student, thank you. Next video will come for another topic.